Hermes help. Tragedy. Oh, where are my Hermes homies at? Hermes help and Hermes unboxing, of course. But Hermes help. I need your help. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't know what to do. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic, and today I need your help from my Hermes homies on a quick and sudden change in my Hermes journey that I'm a little worried about and just would like some help. Okay, so Hermes journey help. Hermes journey tragedy. Obviously, this is not a real tragedy. Obviously, there are other things going on in the world that are much more important. And this is just for us Hermes lovers and Hermes addicts and my little Hermes community. So, you know, kind of joking, but serious, you know, don't take this the wrong way, please. And we have a little unboxing. Okay, so if that you're interested, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, so basically, while I was in Paris, I got a text from my Hermes SA that they were leaving Hermes. And I'm very happy for them. I love them. They're an amazing person. We are friends outside of this, and I think that we will continue to be friends outside of this. But it was a little surprising and shocking because it was unplanned. Not unplanned. There was no warning. They got a job offer they could not refuse, so they went. And I'm very happy for them. And I'm sure, I think they watch. So if they're watching, hey, love you. But I went, and so I was a little worried. I wasn't worried until I got back because I was like, oh, how do I do the next step? So is it like, for those that have gone through this, I would love to know from you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you've gone through this, but do we start fresh again? Do we have to like literally start our purchase history from step one and build that profile again with the new person? Like, not our purchase history is there obviously, but like our new profile being like, we're starting at zero again and need to spend 1-to-1 to get the next bag. Even if we already had the other wish lists. Like, that's what's making me nervous. I don't want to, and you know, I love shopping at Hermes, but I think that, you know, I've been very fortunate and lucky in Paris, and I feel like I just want to keep hopefully riding that and knock on wood and like getting the bags there because getting the bags and the other things there because everything's more affordable there and they usually have more stock and it's quicker and easier. That being said, I still do want to buy stuff here and I want to build a relationship with a new person. So do I reach out to the manager? Do I reach out to my sales associate, my former one, and have them connect me with someone else? Do I reach out to some of the other sales associates that I know there? I know a lot of people there. What would you guys do? Okay. I want to know what your thoughts are and what you would do in this situation. That being said, what we did do, one of the other sales associates reached out to us, to Andrew actually, because our sales associate was for both of us. They reached out to Andrew with something that we had reserved last year, like had asked for when it came in a certain size and color. So it came in, so the sales associate reached out to Andrew, a different sales associate who is friends with our sales associate. So we were like, let's go meet. And they had said also, other people had said too, you kind of like you have to date around again, basically. It's like dating all over again. Find the right one that forced with you. And this sales associate even said that. This was his appointment, so they were meeting with him, but I met them too, connected, and also whilst I was there, tried to talk to other people, but now I'm a little worried if I should go with one of those other people, or if I should have the manager do it, or I should go with this person. Andrew made the connection and bought some stuff with this person to start their profile again. But I feel like it is still starting like a new spending and a new thing, which is a little stressful and annoying. But I guess that's the game, right? I wish it was easier. I wish this didn't happen. Like, I don't know. Actually, no. I mean, it is what it is. I'm not too sad about this. I was more stressed about it before we went. Now that I've went, I feel a little bit better about it. I didn't actually pull the trigger on this person, but I think Andrew buying things with this person does pull the trigger. So we're gonna unbox the things that he bought, just because I'll unbox the channel. And I'll probably use this one. Anyway, so we got two little things. But I don't know, let me know in the comments below what you guys think and if you've had this experience and what you would do and what you do in this situation. I feel like I still have a really good relationship with the store. My other thing, yeah, this is my other thing. I still like I have a really good relationship with the store, and I love the store and I love the people there. But also it is a very, very difficult store. So do I just kind of let it go? Do I try to rebuild in the same store? Do I go to there's two other stores nearby, one that I've started a relationship with as well, which is smaller, but it might be easier and faster to get a bag there. Or do I know a lot of people go to New York and get bags there and fly to New York to get it because it's apparently easier. Like, do I do that? Like, I don't know. Anyway, so they got two things. Andrew got two things. And this one is like a sister or cousin of the one that we already have. I love these because they don't count as leather, so they don't count against you in your leather pre-spend, but they are still a bag. And then he got not a push, literally the thing that everyone gets, like, was like, we went to go see this and get this. The sales associate also offered another bag at the same time, didn't take, and then saw this. okay? And got this because this Andrew's wanted for a while, but was gonna get it in Paris, but then it's bulky, so, and he saw it here and just pulled the trigger. A little trigger happy. Anyway, okay, so this, like I said, is a bag, not a bag, and it's so cute, and I'm obsessed. It's not mine, but I will be borrowing this. It is the Constance to go, which is the sister of the Kelly to go. It's a long, slim wallet, but with the H, Constance, and it has, what I like better about it is it has a back pocket and it has more space, I feel like, inside. It's still accordion style, so you still have to, like, you know, you can only close it so much, but it comes with the additional strap, and it's in this beautiful, like, burgundy color, the gold hardware. It has one front flat pocket, then a pocket, a back pocket with all the card slots, and then a pocket behind all the card slots, and then a zippy in the middle, which the Kelly to go has a zippy in the middle and the 2 slots, but not the other slots, and not the back pocket. Okay, so yay. I also requested one of these, but mine has not come in, so maybe mine will come in. And the other thing Andrew got were these shoes, which I feel like every girl that's trying to get a bag gets these pairs of shoes for their significant other guy. Because I feel like I see every guy at Hermes wearing these shoes, like that are ones that are just there with their girlfriends or significant others or partners, just walking around like waiting. And or I see a lot of guys wearing these shoes out and about in the world now because I feel like it's just like, you know, it's good Birkin bait. It's the trainers in white with black. It's very cute. I like it a lot. I might go get it later. I mean, I actually have another pair of Hermes shoes that I still have not worn, so maybe not. But so he built a little bit of, already got a good pre-spend with this new sales associate. So hopefully that will, let's see what happens if he'll get a bag sooner. He already had enough. That's the thing. He already had enough spend with our previous sales associate and was just waiting for the right bag to come in, and he did not need to spend more, but he did just to see. So we'll see. I think we're gonna hold at this and see what happens and give this a couple months. Meanwhile, you know, we've been very lucky in Paris, so like, don't need to get more bags. Definitely don't need to get more bags. Way more than our plenty fair share of bags. We've been very fortunate and gotten so many nice bags in Paris, and we have more than our fair share and are very lucky and blessed. So like, it's not like we have to be getting another one anytime soon here or there, and we can wait, you know, and it is a waiting game. And yeah, but I just wanted to know what someone would do in this situation, because it was a long relationship of many years, and I felt very comfortable and very easy to talk to, and also like, you know, it was like a friend. It was like, it was fun and it was easy, and I get what I want when I wanted it. Not when I want it. I get what I want, and I'd ask for what I want. It was very easy. And now I just feel like it's like starting over again. It's like a breakup and then starting all over again. So it's a little stressful. Again, first world problems, not actual real world problems. There are a lot of things that are real world problems going on in the world right now. So this is just our little niche problems here that I'm talking about with you. Anyway, okay, that's all I got. I hope you guys liked it, okay? Yeah, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your ex. I know your time is valuable. I know you're just appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Bye.